Okay, so this is one of those shoes I've been plotting on since I initially saw the image reviews. But I just could not see myself paying full price for these. Even though they're dope and I wanted them, I just knew that I would be able to get them for a good price if I waited. And that day came, man. Shout out to all the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales. So here's the SAUCONY and Color collab. As you can see, the box is crazy. I don't know. This might be one that I keep in the collection. You know, I might not get rid of this box just because something different. Even though it's like all dirt, and then you get that SAUCONY like footprint. But I don't know, man. It's one of those joints. Let me know if I should keep the box or not. Okay, nothing on the inside. They're wrapped up. Let's go ahead and unwrap these. So at least I know that they have been untampered with. You know, that's a big plus for me. Wow. I don't, shoes don't make me speechless that often, but this, wow, this is definitely an exception. Let me put that one up here. So this is the SAUCONY Grid Shadow 2, and like I said, collab with Color. I'm not familiar with the brand, but if you are, let me know. But the materials on these, man, the suede is phenomenal. You get that nappy, long-haired suede, which I like. It's definitely major fall vibes. You know, it reminds me of the beef and broccolis. You know what I'm saying? If you don't like boots like me, you can get your the beef and broccoli fix with this particular shoe. I love the black midsole and outsole, so you can definitely like wear these a lot and not have to worry about them getting too messed up. The only thing you have to worry about is, of course, the upper, but like just don't wear them in the rain and you'll be fine. And so you get that, I guess like that tan brown colorway, SAUCONY Color collab. You get three sets of laces. So you get these brown rope laces, and then you get the classic green and gold and like the flat. I probably will, you know, keep the green in personally. But I don't know. I might switch it up through the yellow just because it doesn't make too much sense. So I might throw the yellow in there. I don't know yet. But yeah, I get that brown suede. You get the green, and I'm not sure what material that is on the SAUCONY logo, as well as on the back, you know, the heel. It's like a, I don't know, I won't say it's suede, but you know, it's definitely a weird material. I have no idea what it is, or like the actual texture is not coming to me. If you know, let me know down in the comments, please. You get the dope, the material on the heel and the tongue is that, like a canvas. I want to say like I don't know the official name. It feels like a Carhartt jacket, you know what I'm saying? Whatever material the Carhartt is, that's what this material reminds me of on the tongue. And then you get the SAUCONY Color, you know, embroidery on the tongue, as well as on the heel right here. Just like overall, it's a dope collab. The shoe is lightweight and comfortable. You know, I have a few pair of these anyway. I want to say that, dude. Is this my first Grid Shadow? Actually, this is my first Grid Shadow. I have the Shadow 5000. Yeah, so this is my first Grid Shadow. But I mean, SAUCONYs are comfortable, so you don't have to worry about comfort at all. Off rip, you know, lightweight. It's crazy. Anything else that I missed on this? I don't think so, man. It's pretty straightforward, man. You get the mini SAUCONY logo right here. And then you get the, you know, Carhartt material on the toe box as well. This is dope, man. I think there was 2 colorways in this pack. This colorway stuck out the most to me, of course. I think the other one was like an all tan, like khaki color, which, I mean, it's dope too, real subtle. But I just needed these, and I had to get these half off. $70 out the door. I think this is a $140 shoe. Like I said, half off, paid 70 beans for it. Then, you know, tax and shipping wasn't too much more than that. But yeah, man, this is definitely excited to have these. Fall. If fall was a shoe, man, it'll be this one here. Appreciate y'all for watching.